What's that?
Oh, what's that?
That'd be me, Ollie. You want to see a bird? You've got to sound like a bird. Nice and peaceful like.
I see one! I see one! Look, on the fence over there!
Careful, Royston. You're scaring the birds away. Oh, no. They've all gone.
Oh, not all of them, Ollie. The one I spotted is still there. Look. Oh, I think it's a chaffinch or a budgie or maybe...
An old rag hanging off the fence.
Well, don't worry. We'll just wait here until the birds come back.
Well, not while they can see old Royston here. All bright red and that.
Oh, Jethro's right, Ollie. I'm too loud and too colourful. I don't blend in enough to go bird watching.
You make a good scarecrow, though.
Hang on. Royston, stay there. I've got an idea.
Easy, Ollie. What are you up to now? Oh, no!
Hey, that's not very nice, Ollie.
Don't worry, Jethro. Oh, I think I know what Ollie's doing.
Hey! You're blending now, Royston.
Thanks, Ollie. Now I really blend in with the woods.
So let's spot some birds. Sparrows and blue tits, it's birds that we spot.
Cuckoos and magpies, you see such a lot.
Chaffinch and robins all up in the trees.
A dog on your back, beware you don't sneeze.
Some thrush and blackbirds out making a nest.
Woodpecker, skylark, but sporting is the best.
Whoa, that was fun! Thanks for helping me blend in, Ollie.
You're welcome, Royston. I've had a fantastic day. But look, how are we going to get clean? We're completely covered.
Don't worry, Ollie. I've got a few good friends who can help us.
Okay, boys, let's get them clean.
Olly the little white man helps his friends as much as he can. Olly the little white man, always around to give a helping hand.
Oh, I don't know what's the matter, Ollie, but we got no one to buy our lovely lollies and ice creams.
It's a disaster.
Hey, you might find some customers down at Acorn Park. There's a big statue being unveiled by the mayor.
Stop lying about, Mario. Let's go. Thanks a lot, Ollie.
So after putting out that big fire, what we really need is to relax and cool off. It's just too hot.
I know what you're looking for, Royston, and you'll find it at the big statue unveiling in Acorn Park.
Thanks, Ollie. What's the statue of?
No one knows. It's a surprise.
Oh, I love a surprise.
Don't worry, Farmer Dan. We'll find someone to pull that milk churn off your head.
Hey, oh, hey, Ollie!
Shh. Ollie, it's the big statue unveiling.
Thank you all for attending the grand unveiling of our brand new statue. And it's with great, great pleasure that I present to you...
Me?
Ollie, the most helpful little man in town. And I think we can all agree on that, right?
With practicing songs, he knew where to go. When we were bored, he gave us a show.
He told us where it's best to sell the lollipops.
And when we had to cool down, Olly was tops.
And you made the unveiling a smashing success.
So that's why we say
Olly is the best.
Olly the Little White Man helps his friends as much as he can. Olly the Little White Man, always around to give a helping hand. Olly the Little White Man helps his friends as much as he can. Olly the Little White Man, always around to give a helping hand.
I think he hurt his paw when he landed. Let's get you home for some rest, Ben, and we'll see how you are in the morning. Bad news, Olly. We won't be taking part in the dog show today. Ben's paw's just too sore.
Oh, dear. Poor Ben.
Yeah, but you'll be back on your feet in no time, won't you, Ben?
Oh, it's a shame we can't go to the dog show, Stan. Especially after all that training we did.
I know, but Ben needs to rest. And I can't take part in a dog show without a dog, can I?
That's true. Stan, what if I said I knew a way that Ben could rest his paw and still take part in the show?
How could he do that?
You'll see.
Farmer Dan and his sheepdog, Scrumptious. And last but not least, please welcome Stan. And in a late change to your program, Stan will be taking part with Olly the Little White Band.
Are you sure this is a good idea, Olly?
Of course, we're a great team. What could go wrong? Besides, we'll have help from a friend. Oh, there's no need to thank me, Ben. We're best friends. I'd do anything for you and Stan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Stan, Olly, oh, and Ben.
You are my best friends and I'd do anything for you. Follow you anywhere you want me to go and do exactly what you want me to do. You are my best friends, of that I'm very sure. I'll do anything for you forevermore.
Sit! Now dance!
You are my best friends and I'd do anything for you. Follow you anywhere you want me to go and do exactly what you want me to do. You are my best friends, now and forevermore. I'll jump through any hoops, but now I'm stuck for sure.
Never mind, Ben. We might not have won the Dog Show Cup, but having best friends like you and Olly is all the reward I need.
Stan, what do I do now?
The only thing you can do. Stay! Oh, I'm only kidding, Olly. Let's get you down.
Finished at last. Oh, Charlie!
Oh!
Oh, no!
Whoa, whoa! Stop!
Bravo. Mwah! Bene, bene.
Mario, look out!
Mamma mia!
What? Walking haystacks? We've seen it all now. Talking haystacks? Now I've heard it all too.
That go-kart's led us on a chase.
And Charlie's gonna miss the race.
Not if I can help it, Stan. So catch me if you can. We'll catch you if we can.
Come on, Olly!
Come on, Stan. We'll catch you if we can. 'Cause I'm Olly, the little white man.
I don't know where this cart is going.
It doesn't look like it's ever slowing.
I will catch it, I'm your fan. So catch me if you can. We'll catch you if we can.
Come on, Ollie.
Come on, Stan. We'll catch you if we can. 'Cause I'm Olly the Little White fan.
Oh, where's Charlie? I'm sure he was supposed to race today. Oh well, we can't wait all day. On your marks, get set, go! Whoa! Whoa! Oh wow, we won the race! Woohoo! Oh, now please, will you stop?
I'm sorry, Charlie. I cannot do that.
Oh!
Brake! Now, Ollie! Well done, Ollie! We did it!
Woohoo! There you go, Charlie. Oh, thanks. I think there's someone else here you need to thank too, eh, Charlie? Oh, of course. Thanks for rescuing me, Ollie. I'd still be stuck in that cart if it wasn't for you.
Oh no! Oh, I thought it'd never stop.
Has anybody seen my Stan? He's got a fence to fix.
He was around here somewhere, mending that go-kart.
Malfunction. Malfunction.
Uh-oh, here we go again. I'm coming, Stan!
There you go, Ollie. All done.
Oh, thanks, Mick. Beep, beep. Whoa! Ha-ha! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, hello, Bessie. What's up with you?
Oh, well, don't get me started, Ollie. I've got a rusty door, I've got a bad engine, and...
Hello, Ollie. Well, don't bother with old Bessie. She's no use to anybody.
Hey, Bazza, that's not very nice.
Oh, he's right. Bessie's Burgers used to be the best in town. But ever since Polly's Pizza Parlour opened up, I lost all my customers.
Oh, dear.
Yeah, no one wants a banger from an old banger. Hey, Ollie, get it?
Well, maybe not bangers or burgers, but I've got a great idea for you, Bessie. Hey, you two, why don't you open a roadside cafe using Bessie here to cook all your lovely health food?
Health food? Yeah. I'm off to the beach for some ice cream. See you later.
So, what do you say?
Well, I don't see why not. We won't have to find a shop for my cafe.
She'll need a good clean-up first, mind.
Oh, you'll have no complaints from me there.
Well, let's get to it then.
Oh, how wonderful. But will this really work? You see, I feel so mucky and messy.
We'll take good care of you, Bessie.
You're gonna be my roadside cafe.
Come on, this'll be a great laugh.
We're gonna grease those rusty wheels.
Ooh, I can't tell you how good that feels.
We're gonna fix up this old door.
Don't stop there, I want more. How about a fresh coat of paint? Oh yes, I really cannot wait.
We'll make you sparkle and shine.
Ooh, I say, that suits me fine.
We fixed up our old Bessie, 'cause she got a little bit messy. It's so good to hear you laugh.
And I will be your roadside cafe. There you go, Farmer Dan. One ploughman's lunch.
Oh, I bet you can't wait to plough your way through that.
Oh, Jethro.
Oh, it looks like your roadside cafe idea is going to be a great success, Ollie. Hey, what's going on here? Oh, who's cooking that food?
That'll be Bessie, helping to cook all that healthy food you like so much.
Oh, it smells great.
Now, Buzzer. Back of the queue with you. You can wait your turn just like everybody else.
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh,
All clear, What now?
I don't know, Stan.
Oh, you should take all that mess to the recycling centre.
Well, let's hurry. It closes soon, and all this rubbish is making me feel a bit stuffed. See you later!
Oh, I'm sorry, little fella. I haven't got anything for you or your friends to eat today.
Do you need some food to feed the dog?
Leftover cake? Why, that's some luck.
Cheerio, Ned! Run out of cones to hold ice cream.
Tri-party hats. It works like a dream. Grazie, Olly. Bye.
Trouble with pros, eating your crop.
Your blowers and streamers. This'll make 'em stop. Well, Olly, after helping our friends, all that's left to get rid of is the wrapping paper.
Hiya, Yonkers! Hey, what's with the glum face?
It's just so dull and boring here. I wish I worked somewhere with a little colour. But never mind. Now, what can I do for you, Olly?
We're here to recycle the waste from Miss Florette's birthday party.
Sorry, Olly, you're too late. I've just locked up for the day.
Oh, no! So now what do we do with all this wrapping paper?
Hang on, Stan. I've got an idea. Well, Yonkers, what do you think?
Brilliant! I'm gonna love working in such a colourful place.
And we've reused every bit of rubbish from the party. Oh, well done, Olly.
Olly the Little White Fan helps his friends as much as he can. Olly the Little White Fan, always around to give a helping hand. Olly the Little White Fan helps his friends as much as he can. Olly the Little White Fan, always around to give a helping hand.
You're not chicken, are you?
Here we go. Right. Beep, beep.
What? Olly, come back! Wait for me!
This is a really spooky place, eh, Bazza?
I don't know what you mean, Olly. Not seen anything spooky at all.
You're not frightened, are you, Bazza?
Me? No way.
Haunted houses, giant bats, witches with their brooms and hats, spiders, webs and rattling bones, a scary monster moans and groans. Ooh, what is that sound? Don't turn around. The scariest place we've ever been, down Shady Lane on Halloween. A shifting shape by ancient trees can leave you shaking at the knees. A shadow grows then disappears. It knows our deepest, darkest fears. Ooh, what is that sound? Don't turn around. The creepiest place we've ever been, down Shady Lane on Halloween. A cauldron full of witches brew, a lonely ghost plays peekaboo. Beware the creatures of the night in jack-o'-lantern candlelight. Ooh, what is that sound? Ooh, don't turn around. The freakiest place we've ever been, down Shady Lane on Halloween. Did you see that? What? Well, it looked like a giant pumpkin. It crossed the lane just then.
I saw nothing.
There it goes again! And someone was riding on top of it! Come on, let's go and take a look.
See? Nothing here. There's no such thing as ghosts, really. You must be seeing things. And hearing things. Oh! No! helping me back there. I think the Ghost Rider would have got me if you hadn't been around.
Here, you ain't been down Shady Lane, have you?
Yes, and saw the Ghost Rider.
On a horseless carriage, just like you said.
Oh, yeah. Looked like that, did it?
The Ghost Rider! Farmer Dan? Donny?
Hello, you two. Happy Halloween.
Got you both good and proper, didn't we, eh?
See, Ollie, I told you there was no such thing as ghosts, didn't I?
What problems, Gaffer?
Hey, Royston, I don't suppose
Oh,
you have
not now, Ollie. This is critical.
Royston?
We'll need a new one of these, Gaffer. We'll have to throw this one away.
Hey, Royston, can we have that old hosepipe?
Well, yes. It's of no use to us, is it?
Thanks, Royston.
So what fancy dress costume are we going to make with this lot then, Ollie?
Well, I thought we could team up and go as a spaceman and a spaceship.
Oh, wow, what a great idea, Ollie.
Come on, let's get to it. Beep, beep.
And now my space costume is complete.
Right, let's get to that party. Hold on to your helmet. We're taking the cosmic route. We're on a space mission to reach that party soon. There's a fancy dress party on the bright side of the moon. We're on a space mission past Jupiter and Mars. To get to that party, we'll rocket beyond the stars. Ollie in outer space. What an amazing place. And I'm so glad you're with me.
Earthlings, I am Robotron from the Teapot Nebula, and this is my spaceship Ultrabox.
Take us to your leader.
That's me.
So, you have taken over at last, I see. Good, good.
What is it you want?
We come in peace. We've just touched down to party. It's only us.
Ollie? Stan? Oh, my! You had us all fooled. What great costumes.
Yes, they're the best costumes ever, and it's all thanks to Ollie.
Come on, let's get this party rocking.
Ollie the Little White Man helps his friends as much as he can. Ollie the Little White Man, always around to give a helping hand.
Right, now can we play volleyball?
Oh, later on, Suze, eh? Hey, watch me! Watch me!
Oh, what now, Bazza?
I'm the strongest fan in town. Did you know that, Susie? Come on.
I think you eat far too many ice creams. You are so out of shape.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'll show you.
Bazza! Oh, he promised we'd play volleyball, but all he ever wants to do is laze about or show off.
Well, I'd play volleyball with you if I could, but I've got to get back to my ice skating lessons.
Oh, it's not really about volleyball. I just need my exercise. I gotta keep fit and healthy.
Why don't you come skating with me then? It's great exercise.
Oh, yes, but... No, you see, I can't ice skate.
Don't worry, I'll show you how. Come on, Susie. Right Right then, the most important thing is keeping your balance.
Whoa! Easy now, Ollie. I've never done this before.
No, don't look down. Look at me.
Okay.
That's right. Keep it steady. Oh, that's it. You're getting it.
Woo! This is great, Ollie.
Skating away on ice together. Oh, happy day, can it last forever?
Look at them go, a wondrous sight. Twisting and turning, jumping in flight.
Skating away on ice together. Leaping through the air, as light as a feather.
Oh, this is such a wonderful feeling. Never thought I'd do it.
But seeing is believing. Skating away on ice together.
Oh, happy day, it must go on forever.
Oh, thank you so much, Ollie. That was amazing. You really are a true friend. Mwah!
Oh, look! He's almost as red as I am!
Right, everyone, there's been a bit of a change to today. Albert the Amazing won't be coming.
Oh.
But instead, I would like to welcome on stage Olly and Stan the Magnificent!
Good afternoon, boys, girls, and fans. You're about to see the best show in the world. We have it all. Mystery, surprise, fun and games.
Steady on, Ollie.
Stan is going to start by making some wonderful balloon animals.
Right, let's start with a dog. Boo! I thought we were going to be amazed. A sheep, then. Ah, what a joke. It's a snake.
Now for our next act, juggling.
Thanks, everyone. Now, the magnificent Ollie will amaze us with his magic show.
I am about to perform one of the oldest and most mysterious tricks known to Van. First of all, Stan, could you check what's under my hat?
There's nothing there.
Now, everyone, could you say the magic words with me? Abracadabra, zabra, dibbity-doo. Stan, try lifting my hat again.
Yay!
What a load of rubbish.
Could I have a volunteer from the audience? A large orange one, please.
Who, me?
I think Bazza could do with a makeover. Hocus pocus magic powers. Make Bazza's paintwork look like flowers.
Hey?
Yeah!
Right, cheers, Ollie.
Now for my final trick, I have a surprise for Charlie.
Wow! It's my birthday cake!
Did you enjoy your party, son?
It was the best ever! Thanks, Dad. You were great!
I'm not sure Bazza would agree.
Oh, ow! Don't rub too hard. Yeah, not the rust.
Perhaps Bumpton isn't such an exciting place after all.
Ollie? Ollie?
I think I've just found our story. Look!
What is it, Ollie?
It's a UFO! An unidentified flying object! They're aliens from outer space!
Wow!
Quick, take a picture, Bertie!
Oh, yes, a picture! Only one word for that. Uncanny.
Hiya, Stan. Did you read it? Did you read it?
I did, and it's caused quite a stir. All this talk of UFOs has got everyone spooked. Mario thinks he can hear space aliens on his radio. Jethro refuses to plough his field. It's full of crop circles, apparently. And Percy's trying to make contact up on Windy Hill with his cosmic bongos. I think I need to go and have a look at this UFO for myself.
This is the spot, right here.
And look, there it is again!
Incredible. I don't believe me eyes. They're falling for it, hook, line and sinker, Bazzer. Best prank ever! Oh, there's a problem with the controls. Low batteries. He's heading straight for us. Oh no, my UFO, it's broken.
Bazzer, it was you all along.
And now everyone thinks there's a real UFO hovering around Bumpton. Oh, I was only having a bit of fun. Don't get your axles in a twist. Bumpton hoaxers caught red-handed. Another great story, guys. You should be proud. Sales of my newspaper have doubled thanks to your help. So that UFO wasn't from outer space after all. Come on, time to go home. Guys, I can see something strange in the sky.
Oh no, we're not falling for the same prank twice.
No, honestly, it's true. Look, it's nothing to do with me, Ollie.
Whoa, is that Percy?
Thanks for the lift, guys. That was cosmic.
Wow! Did he just take a photo of us, Ollie?
Perhaps he's a reporter just like us. I told you exciting things happen in Bumpton.
You sure did, Ollie. It's the best town ever.
Hey, Ned. Need help getting your shopping home?
Oh, no, thanks, Ollie. I'm nearly there now.
Oh, hey, Royston. Need my help?
Oh, no, thanks, Ollie. It's all under control.
Oh, must help somebody. Hey, who's that over there? Hey, where are you going with that sack?
Eh? What? Oh, I was,
I mean, it looks so heavy. I'm Ollie. I can give you a lift if you like.
Yes, all right, Ollie. I do need a lift, thanks.
Where to then, Mr.
To the Grosvenor Hotel, please. The name's Robin.
Wow, what are you doing there? Robin?
Eh? No, what? I'm going to a fancy dress party. A cops and robbers fancy dress party.
Oh, so that's why you're dressed like that. Great costume.
Oh, I say, is that Bumpton Art Gallery?
It sure is.
Pull over, would you? I'm going to take a picture.
With your camera?
Yes, with my camera, that's right.
Right, wait here.
Shut me long.
Ooh, that's Robin. Wow, he must be famous. Notorious thief Robin Bagful escapes jail. Robin's a robber, a crook, a baddie.
Right, Ollie, let's go.
What?
Drive!
Oh, I've got to take Robin straight to the police station because stealing is a crime.
What's that you say, Ollie?
We'll be there in no time.
Ah, very good.
When Robin sees that I'm going to the police and not to the hotel, he might try and escape. I must get him there without him seeing what I'm doing.
Ollie! What are you doing?
Oh, I love playing in muddy puddles. I just can't help myself. But look, I'm all mucky and messy now.
Yes.
Well, now I'll have to go for a car wash on the way. You wouldn't want me arriving at that posh hotel looking like this, would you?
Well, no, I suppose not. But don't hang about. Let's go.
Perfect.
Oh, shucks, Susie. That don't sound good.
I just don't know what's wrong with me.
You're not the only one, Susie. Half the town has broken down thanks to Baz's spicy soup. Tommy, can you bring them all back to Mick's garage at once?
Ooh, I don't know about that. Only got one hook. See? I'll have to take them one by one.
Oh, we need to get everyone back to the garage to get them fixed and back on the road right away. Hang on a minute. I've got an idea.
This is a great idea, Ollie.
Oh, it sure is. I can pull all the vehicles at once like this. It's a convoy.
Stan, you stay and help Tommy. I'll meet you back at Mick's garage.
Hey, Stan, you know what I like to do when I'm working like this? I love nothing more than whistling a tune as I ride. You don't mind if I whistle a little now, do you?
Oh, be my guest, Tommy.
Tommy, you did it!
Great idea of yours to tie all the vehicles together, Ollie.
We've been hard at work too, Tommy.
Yeah, we've made you something to say thank you.
Now, hang on. It's not any of that soup, is it?
No. I helped Bazza to make you a super juicy, fruity smoothie.
Yeah, don't worry, Tommy. It's Ollie's recipe. I did put some smelly cheese in it, though.
Ew.
Nah, I'm only joking. Come on, Bazza, I think you've done more than enough joking around for one day. You can help me repair all these engines. Oh.